Hi, welcome to the Laredo Convention and Visitors Bureau and to our brand new Visitor Center. We're very excited to have you today here with us for some exciting news. We partner with Relic Agency and they worked and created this wonderful campaign to promote our destination. Laredo is such a unique place and we wanted to share with all of our visitors from Texas and beyond what makes us unique. Our history, our culture, our cuisine, everything we have to offer for those potential visitors coming to our destination. So today we invite you to stay with us for a little bit and see all the exciting news we have to offer.
When we partnered with the Laredo Convention and Visitors Bureau a little over a year ago, we were so excited. It was our first Texas destination, and we knew that we had a really unique opportunity to rebrand a destination like Laredo. And when we went out to visit, we were blown away. We were able to experience the destination like a visitor. But on top of that, the Laredo team was so prepared to receive us and help us experience the destination. We had interviews with stakeholders, we had interviews with community leaders, and we were really able to capture the essence of Laredo as a destination. And then we were able to roll that out into the visual identity for Laredo. And we are so excited to see how that continues to move forward over the next several years. Laredo is a special place for us, and we really, really love this relationship.
Laredo has always been a bustling border town. The Convention and Visitors Bureau works hard to achieve their goal of increasing visits to our city and converting those visits to heads and beds. Tourism has the power to boost the economy and create jobs. Laredo has a strong hospitality and tourism workforce, welcoming not only visitors, but locals alike. Over the years, Laredo has been known as the Gateway City, the two-nation vacation destination, and its location at mile marker 1 of IH-35 along the edge of the Rio Grande has given visitors bragging rights to say they have vacation at the only city under 7 flags. Our CVB led conversations with us, our tourism partners, and Relic, our branding agency, to find a creative way to express what Laredo means to us. From that, this rebranding was born. Through this, we hope to showcase Laredo's unity, history, and culture that embodies Laredo's spirit.
So now you have heard from our leadership and our agency, and we hope you love all the ideas as much as we do. We want to share our uniqueness with the rest of the country and the rest of our potential visitors from Texas and beyond. Today, we are unveiling not only our campaign, but also our logo. Unity, history, and Cultura is what makes Laredo unique. And this is what we want to share with the rest of the world. Laredo is such a special place, and we invite you to follow us on our social media. Visit Laredo on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, listen to our podcast, Hola Laredo, whenever you find your podcasts. Join us in promoting and celebrating our community and our destination.